Welcome back. Vasco bound Collem train was halted in Shatinagar Dabolim on Saturday. The train had to be halted due to engine failure. Passengers were stranded for more than 1 hour at Shatinagar. 2 engines were brought from Madgaon as an alternate arrangement to move the train.
Vasco bound Collem train had to be halted in Shatinagar in Dabolim. Passengers were halted in Shatinagar for 1.5 hours. It is reported that the train engine failed. There was no alternate arrangement for a long time. The train broke down at about 1:10 a.m. However, the past guard informed that there was failure in the engine due to electrical fault.
Not getting power. Okay, you move further. Another power will come from the halted.
Where this train is going?
Then power will come after attaching power.
No, this train is from Vasco to where is it going?
Vasco to Collem.
Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
3 persons were injured in a collision of a truck and a Maruti van at Kolwale. The collision took place when the van was parked outside a garage for repairs. The speeding truck collided with the van. The Maruti van is registered in Maharashtra.
The accident occurred in Kolwale when a Maruti van registered in Maharashtra was parked for repairs at a garage. The family members were down on a trip in Goa and were proceeding back to Maharashtra on Saturday. The family members were seated in the car. Head of the family informed that the speeding truck collided with the van. 3 persons present in the car were injured. Immediately, 108 ambulance was called in for help and the injured persons were shifted to the district hospital.
गाड़ी उभी केली आणि टायरवाल्याला विचारायला गेलो. टायरवाल्याकडून विचारलं येईपर्यंत ते गाडीवाल्यांनी पाठवून धडक दिली आणि गाडी 3 पलटी खाल्ली. आमचे 3 माणसं जखमी झाली जबर.
सगळे किती जण होते?
सगळे गाडीमध्ये 5 जण होते आणि मी एक धरून 6.
कुठून आला?
मुंबईवरून आलो.
आता मुंबईला चालला होता.
The driver of the truck, however, managed to escape from the site. Police conducted Panchanama at the accident spot. Our reporter in Kolwale, Shamsundar Fatte.
A victory rally of Naveli MLA Avartan Furtado and Banauli MLA Kaitan Silva was carried out with hundreds of supporters on Saturday. Avartan is hoping for a ministerial berth and has assured to promote sports in every village of the state. Meanwhile, Kaitan Silva has reposed his victory to the Banauli cards.
Naveli MLA Avartino Furtado held a massive rally with his supporters in Naveli constituency. He said that he will work for the upliftment of youth by creating job opportunities and self-employment schemes. He also hopes for sports ministry. He said he would promote sports in every village. Supporters of Avartino burnt an effigy of Churchill Alemao during the rally.
And I'll tell you, the love that the people have shown me, I can never forget. And I will really work for the people and for the betterment of my village.
What will be your priority?
Priority will be my youth. I will really work for the youth. As I had promised that I will really work for them, I will do it. I will really give them a job opportunity and self-employment, which I will really do and I'll help them. Even a sports complex, I assume I'll get a sports ministry. If I get, I'll really do something for the youth. At least an academy and a sports complex in every village.
Kaitan Silva, the newly elected MLA of Banauli, held rally on Saturday. He has owed his victory to the people of Banauli. He said that his victory was the end to corruption, Gundaism and family raj in that constituency.
भुरग्यांक लागून काडल्या कित्याक ह्या भुरग्यांक सदां उमेद आसली आपली रॅली आपली जीत ते म्हणून आसा ही बेनावली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीची जीत जावन आसा बेनावली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीच्या लोकांची ही कायतूची जीत न्ही ही बाणावलेच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आसा त्या लोकांची कोलवाकार कोलिकाराची सुराले वारका तशेंच करमोना कावेलसी तशेंच बेनावलीकाराची जीत ते उमेदीन तेमी जीत ही रॅली काडून मुखार सरल्यात.
किती मेसेज दिवपाक सोदता तूं
हे मेसेज हे दिवंक येता हेच्या मुखार आनी करप्शन म्हणटा तें आसचें ना आनी गुंडागिरी आनी फॅमिली राजकारण जातलें म्हणून.
A reporter in Margaon, Savio dies.
As part of the Lenten season, Xavier Center of Historical Research has selected 40 paintings of eminent Goan painter Angelo da Fonseca for public display. The exhibition, titled The Passion and Glory, showcases some of his works and will be open for 2 months for general display.
The Porvorim-based Xavier Center of Historical Research has organized an exhibition of 40 selected paintings of eminent Goan painter Agnello da Fonseca. The exhibition has been titled Agnello da Fonseca, The Passion and Glory, and has been curated by artist Savia Viegas.
The main idea that we are trying to do is that, Fonseca was a painter who had different ideas, and very often he is not recognized in Goa. The Goans themselves have not recognized this painter. So through this paintings we would like to bring out that message that Goa has a very well-known painter, and we would like that many people come and have a look at this painting, and once they see this exhibition, then we will have more recognition for Angelo Fonseca, and similarly for other Goan artists. Fonseca is one of them, but we would like to promote other Goan artists also.
The exhibition will be open for public viewing from 12th March to 10th May 2012. The exhibition will remain open from Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Our reporter Jason Suarez for Prudent Media.
It's time now for another short break. News from sports on the other side. Stay tuned.